Thank you for watching Living in Fort Worth. This is yet another episode of a new listing that I just finished getting ready and staged to hit the market this week. Let's take a look. 3936 Old Richwood in McPherson Ranch has new carpet, new paint, and is ready for a new homeowner. Let's take a look inside. Front office with new flooring and new paint, perfect for formal dining or to have as a extra game space. You have a nice welcoming open front living room. The welcoming front entryway has plenty of space to put your shoes and have a front entry table. The vinyl flooring continues on through the front entry into the rest of the house. You have a front closet here, a little peek of the kitchen. Over on this side, you have an accent nook with 2 bedrooms and your hall bathroom, brand new carpet. You have a linen closet here. Into the hall bathroom, ready to go. I wish you guys had smell-o-vision because it smells like fresh paint. The doors, the door frames, the baseboards, the walls, the ceilings, everything was just repainted in the whole house. So it's truly move-in ready. Nice size closet there in this secondary bedroom. As we continue down this hall, it opens up into your main dining, living, kitchen space, perfect for entertaining. Here is the living room. Has a nice gas burning fireplace with the gas logs. Looks out on the backyard. Plenty of space for your sectional or 3-piece set. The dining area is functional right here off of the kitchen. While we're talking about the kitchen, let's check out brand new stainless steel appliances just delivered this week, never used. New dishwasher as well, ready to go. Can you imagine cleaning and doing dishes right here while you watch TV from the living room and you entertain your guests? Because I know I can. Also, you will notice this beautiful large skylight. I actually had to pause the video and start over because I realized I didn't even have the lights on in here because this room was so bright already because of the skylight. I also love that it has this island that makes it easy to prep and entertain. You have plenty of space for your fridge there. Already has it for water. And a nice deep pantry right here in the kitchen. And then you have your laundry room here off the kitchen. Has a little bit of space there for your clothes. And then leading into the garage. It's a standard 2-car garage. It also has your sprinkler system, newer electrical box, and then gas water heater. Some extra paint in case you need to do some touch-ups, all matching the color since the house was just repainted. And I haven't even shown you the backyard or the primary bedroom yet. One of the things about the backyard I love is that you have this transom over the back door. And you have a storm door as well, so you can actually have this door open and get a cross breeze here. And you have a doggy door, so very versatile, ready to go as far as if you have pets. Out here in the backyard, you have this covered patio space. So if you wanted to stand out here and grill, something like that, you absolutely could. But it is a good size and it's not too sloped. So you can throw a ball, you could have a trampoline, lots of options there. Here's the back of the house. And you can actually see the green space right there for the park area. So that's a nice little feature that you don't have as many homes right around it. Let's take a look at the primary. Headed into the primary bedroom. Once again, brand new carpet, brand new paint. I love how tall the windows are in here. They're not the little baby windows. And then you also have 2 switches here for your ceiling fan and light. And you have these French doors leading into the primary bathroom, which does have 2 sinks. It actually has drawers versus just cabinets, which I don't know about y'all, but I use a lot of drawers. You have a very deep garden tub. I venture guess you could fit 2 people in there, but they would need to be small people. And then you have this nice little window bench, so if you do have a cat or somebody that wants to sun, they would love sitting there. And it's nice and private since it has the opaque glass. You have a separate shower here, and then you have your linen closet, as well as a separate room for the WC, which I don't know about y'all, but I also am a fan of having that separate rather than being open in the room. If it's open in the room, it's a little hard to get privacy if somebody needs to be getting ready in the morning. And then into the walk-in closet, once again, freshly painted, as well as brand new carpet. It has tons of shelves and hanging space, and then it also has some built-ins, as well as your home system, your smart home system is kind of pre-wired, which is nice for convenience. Fun fact, whenever a house is being painted, you know that they're good when they know to do a higher gloss in the closets and the pantry. That is a builder standard as far as being more resistant to scratches or stains. Normally you'll see a water-based paint on normal walls like this, but you'll see a higher gloss on doors and doors and door frames, and then you also see a higher gloss in the closets and pantries, specifically so you don't scratch them up really easily when you inevitably touch the walls with clothes and such. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this property tour. It's coming on the market here shortly. I think it is a really great buy if you are looking to own a home in North Fort Worth in North Texas. Thanks for watching. Walking trails, playgrounds, just 2 doors down from this open green space and playground. Nice listing. $39.36 Old Richwood in McPherson Ranch has new carpet, new paint, and is ready for a new homeowner. Let's take a look inside. Front office with new flooring and new paint, perfect for formal dining or to have as a extra game space. You have a nice welcoming open front living room. Out here in the backyard, you have this covered patio space. So if you wanted to stand out here and grill, something like that, you absolutely could. But it is a good size and it's not too sloped. So you can throw a ball, you could have a trampoline, lots of options there. There's the back of the house. And you can actually see the green space right there for the park area. So that's a nice little feature that you don't have as many homes right around it.